Good afternoon everybody, what is up, and welcome back to Beachhead Customs. Today we are going to do a shoe cleaning video. Believe that, I'm going to teach you guys how to clean a pair of shoes today, but not just one single pair of shoes. This method and these methods that I'm going to show you in this video will apply to multiple pairs of shoes. So if you need to know how to clean your shoes, stay tuned because I will be getting into it very soon. Okay, so what we're going to be working on are my Ultra Boosts today, and there's a few bad spots, really bad spots, like on the back here. Up front, it's pretty bad too. I'm gonna show you guys how to remove that completely and get, say, your white Ultra Boost or your green Ultra Boost or your gray Ultra Boost or any shoe out there, any mesh shoe of this nature or any shoe really. Leather shoes work really well. I'll show you how to clean up your shoes today in a few quick minutes, and it's gonna be amazing. So let's go. Materials list is super easy. You're only gonna need 4 things. Your shoes for one, you're gonna need some towels, maybe a little water here and there. Sorry, 5 things, a little extra water, maybe a water cup. You're gonna need some cleaner, and of course you're gonna need a toothbrush to do the cleaning. So let's get into the actual cleaning part of this shoe. I'm gonna have some before and after pictures at the end as always. If you do learn something from this video in any way possible, anything shoe cleaning related or anything about shoes, make sure you drop a like on this video to let other people know this is a good video. Alright, now a smaller cup to put your cleaner in is very optional. I like to have my toothbrush dipped in here every time because it contaminates the whole bottle, so I dump a little bit out for me to use, just not waste any, and let's not contaminate it all at once. But you want to get your toothbrush covered in some of that good cleaner, and when you hit the shoe, whether you are on the Ultra Boost, the boost section, or you are on the mesh, you're going to want to do a little circular patterns and repeat the process of circular motion until it looks good. And then one of the most crucial parts, because some cleaners, Angelus Direct Easy Cleaner does a really good job of cleaning the shoe without being wiped and stuff like that, but wiping that cleaner off gets all that dirt in there and stuff out, pulls the cleaner, pulls the dirt out until you're left with that really crisp white. You guys will see at the end of the video in the before and after pictures, but I can assure you guys this works on Ultra Boost and most other mesh shoes and leather shoes for sure, because leather shoes are super easy to clean. But yeah, I'm gonna continue cleaning these. Check out the time lapse. Hope you guys enjoy and hope you guys learned something. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys learned how to clean your shoes and make them look fresh. Once again, after I do my spiel, there's going to be before and after pictures at the end of the video, like I said before. If you did learn something, make sure you subscribe, because I'll be making more videos like this in the future, and I make a lot of funny, entertaining content during the week. You guys should really check a lot of it out. But drop a like on this video if it helped you and you learned something and your shoes look crispy clean. Comment down below how well it worked. What did you guys actually use? Do you have another recommendation that I use for shoe cleaning? I know a lot of stuff, and I could obviously not put all my stuff in one video, but I'm always open to more suggestions down below. Yeah, if they don't come clean the first time, just repeat the process, do a few more sessions, scrub, wipe, let them dry, scrub, wipe, scrub, wipe, let them dry. Keep doing that and you should have some great results. I'm glad I could help. Check out the before and after pictures. Here they are.
I got 5 hoes chillin' in the lobby. I got pigeons watching me like how she touch it. I told Chopper got a pilot hit you.